Most entrepreneurs are unaware that there are actually 9 different software business modules available today, and some of the most profitable ones aren't even on most people's radars. What's up, conscious creators? After consulting with major software companies for years and observing the industry's evolution, I found that traditional advice often overlooks crucial opportunities. Starting a software business used to mean choosing between two paths, building a SaaS company or running a service agency. However, AI has completely changed the game, creating entirely new models that enable solo entrepreneurs to compete with multi-million-dollar companies. In this two-part series, I am breaking down all 9 business models that are actually generating profits. Today, we are covering the first 5 foundational models. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly which part aligns with your technical skills and risk tolerance. Let's go. Model number 1, the product part. Building something that sells itself. The software product part offers a fundamentally different approach to building a business. Imagine spending 6 months building a simple scheduling app for yoga instructors from your apartment. Picture making $52,000 every month while working from coffee shops around the world. Your app runs itself. You build it once and now thousands of users pay you monthly subscription fees. That's the magic of the product part. Traditional software products, such as SaaS platforms and apps, follow a simple yet powerful principle. Build it once, sell infinitely. Unlike service businesses where you trade time for money, product companies create digital assets that generate revenue on a continuous basis. Your scheduling app continues to work while you sleep. Your project management tools help teams in different time zones. You are not selling hours of your day. You are solving problems at scale. This mindset shift changes everything. Instead of thinking about how many clients you can handle this week, you think about how many users your software can serve simultaneously. A single piece of code helps one person or 1 million people with the same effort. Infrastructure skills, but your core work stays the same. Why this part excites tech professionals? You already have the skills to build these solutions. Your development background gives you a huge advantage. While others struggle with technical implementation, you can focus on solving real problems. The freedom this model creates is incredible. Work from anywhere, set your schedule, build something that grows without your constant attention. Your software works for you rather than you working for the software. While service businesses typically sell for 1 to 3 times their annual revenue, successful SaaS companies often sell for 8 to 10 times their annual revenue. A company making $500,000 per year might sell for $4 million instead of $1.5 million. That difference represents years of wealth building compressed into a single transaction. Here's the truth that most people ignore. 90% of SaaS startups fail. The challenge isn't building the software, it's getting it to work. The challenge is finding product market fit. You might create something technically impressive that nobody wants to pay for. The most successful apps work because creators speak to dozens of potential users beforehand. They understand specific pain points before writing a single line of code. This research phase makes all the difference. Instead of building what you think people need, you build what they actually struggle with every day. The product part demands significant upfront investment. Even for bootstrap entrepreneurs, you need months to build, test, and refine your product before seeing your first dollar. Most underestimate this cost. Server infrastructure, design tools, legal requirements, and marketing expenses add up quickly. You might spend $20,000 before making your first sale. Marketing represents another major hurdle. Great products die in obscurity every day. You need customers to find your software among millions of other options. Building the product isn't often the easy part compared to customer acquisition. The cash flow problem kills many promising startups. You might work for 6 months or 2 years before generating meaningful revenue. Your savings account becomes your lifeline. So who is this for? The product part is most suitable for entrepreneurs with existing capital, strong professional networks, or access to venture capital. You are playing a long-term game for massive rewards. Patience isn't just helpful, it's required. Model number 2, the service route, getting paid while you learn. While one approach involves building products for months without income, there is an entirely different path that generates revenue from day one. I've seen developers quit their corporate jobs on Friday and land their first $10,000 client the following Tuesday. How? They contacted three local businesses, explained how custom software could solve their inventory problems, and close a deal before the end of the week. That's the power of the service route. Agency model flips everything about software business on its head. Instead of building one product for thousands of users, you build custom solutions for specific clients. Companies hire you to create software that fits their exact need. A restaurant wants a custom ordering system. A law firm needs a case management software. A construction company requires project tracking tools. You are not selling a product. You are selling your expertise and ability to execute their vision. The cash flow advantage. This approach differs fundamentally from the product part. You are not creating scalable solutions that work for everyone. You are creating bespoke software that solves one company's unique problem. Each project starts fresh. Each client gets personalized attention. You trade the dream of infinite skill for the reality of immediate income. With the right technical skills, you can earn money from day one, not waiting months for product development. No burning through savings while finding product market fit. You finish a product, send an invoice, and get paid. Simple as that. These immediate feedback loops allow you to reinvent profits in growing your business rather than depleting your bank account. But here is the scalability challenge. Growth limitations create real challenges. Your income directly correlates with your available time and team capacity. You can only handle a limited number of projects at a time. Scaling requires hiring developers, which increases complexity and reduces profit margins. The math stays linear instead of exponential. Exit multiples reflect the scalability limitation. Service businesses typically sell for 1 to 3 times their annual revenue. A successful agency making $400,000 per year might sell for $800,000 to $1.2 million. Compare that to product companies, which command revenue multiples of 8 to 10 times. A hidden strategic advantage. Here is what most people miss. Running an agency gives you insider knowledge about what products the market actually wants. You see patterns across clients. You identify common problems that could later become product opportunities. So who this works for? The service route works perfectly for developers who want immediate income while learning business fundamentals. You discover how companies actually operate. You see what software they need versus what they think they need. Model 3, AI as a service, the new gold rush. The AI as a service revolution is changing how businesses access artificial intelligence. This model provides AI capabilities through APIs that businesses integrate into their existing software. Instead of building complete applications, you create intelligent services that power other people's products. Dating app uses your facial recognition API. A medical startup integrates your diagnostic imaging service. An e-commerce platform connects to your product recommendation engine. This approach differs completely from traditional software. You are not selling features or user interfaces. You are selling intelligence itself. Your API becomes the brain that makes other software smarter. Companies pay for your AI's ability to understand images, process language, predict outcomes, or recognize patterns. They handle user experience while you handle the complex AI processing. The market explosion. Demand surge explains why this market reached $12.7 billion in 2024 and is expected to grow at a 30.6% annual rate according to industry research. Every company wants AI capabilities, but most lack the expertise to build them. Training machine learning models requires knowledge. Optimizing performance demands deep technical understanding. Managing AI infrastructure costs millions. Most businesses would rather pay for your API than hire an entire AI team. Here's the competitive advantage. Technical barriers create powerful competitive advantages in this space. Model training requires massive data sets, expensive GPU clusters, and extensive experimentation over months. Infrastructure optimization involves complex decisions about latency, accuracy, and cost trade-offs. These challenges deter competitors once you establish effective working systems. Your technical expertise becomes a business moat. The pricing model. The pricing model scales beautifully with customer success. Usage-based billing means customers pay per API call, image processing, or prediction made. The startup might spend $50 monthly, while enterprise customers spend $50,000 every month. You can charge per image process, per prediction made, or per API call. Small developers may pay pennies, while major platforms generate thousands of dollars in monthly revenue. The challenges. 1. Infrastructure challenges require constant attention. 2. Managing compute costs become critical as usage grows. GPU expenses can eliminate profit if not optimized properly. The rapid evolution problem keeps everyone on their toes. AI models improve constantly. New techniques emerge monthly. Who this works for? This model favors entrepreneurs with expertise in machine learning and systems engineering. You need deep technical knowledge to build reliable AI services. Here's the opportunity that excites me most. AI as a service remains early enough that small teams can compete directly with technology giants. Module number 4, Smart SaaS when AI meets traditional software. TechFlow CRM was struggling to compete with industry giants like Salesforce and HubSpot. Their basic contact management and pipeline tracking worked fine, but their customers kept asking for more advanced features. Then CEO Rachel Martinez made a bold decision. She added AI-powered lead scoring, automated follow-up suggestions, and predictive revenue forecasting to their platform. Within 3 months, TechFlow increased its pricing from $49 to $149 per user per month. Customers didn't just accept the increase, they also expressed their dissatisfaction with it. They thanked the company for finally giving them the tools that help them sell more. AI enhancement transforms ordinary software into premium solutions by adding intelligence that users can't find elsewhere. Your basic project management tool becomes a strategic planning assistant when it predicts project delays and suggests resources adjustment to mitigate them. Your simple accounting software turns into a financial advisor when it analyzes spending patterns and recommends cost-saving opportunities. The underlying functionality stays the same, but the AI makes everything more innovative and more valuable, creating competitive advantages. These intelligent features create powerful competitive advantages by increasing customer stickiness and justifying higher prices. Users become dependent on AI insights that they can't replicate manually. Sales teams rely on lead scoring algorithms to identify and prioritize potential customers. Marketing teams rely on predictive analysis for effective campaign planning. Finance teams depend on automated expense categorization. Switching to competitors means losing these intelligent capabilities that have become essential to their workflows. Specific AI enhancements deliver measurable value across different software categories. Predictive analytics helps users anticipate trends and make better decisions. Automated workflows eliminate repetitive tasks and reduce human error. Intelligent recommendations guide users toward optimal choices based on historical data and patterns. These features save time, improve accuracy, and provide insights that manual processes cannot match. The data advantage creates a powerful network effect that strengthens your AI over time. As more users generate data, AI accuracy and capabilities improve. Better AI attracts more users, creating a positive feedback loop. Your recommendation engine gets smarter with each user interaction. Your predictive models become more accurate as user dataset grows. This advantage becomes nearly impossible for competitors to replicate. Who this works for? This model works perfectly for existing SaaS companies looking to differentiate and accelerate growth. Adding AI transforms commodity software into premium solutions. Let's move on to Model 5. Automated service delivery, robots doing the work. Codecraft agency was drowning in client requests. Their team of 12 developers worked 60-hour weeks but could only handle 8 projects simultaneously. Then, the founder Alex Chen discovered something remarkable. Implementing AI tools for code generation, automated testing, and deployment pipelines, his team automated 80% of their routine web development tasks. Today, they serve 80 clients with the same headcount while maintaining higher quality standards. AI handles routine service tasks that previously consumed the majority of the developer's time. The code generation tools create boilerplate components, database schemas, and API endpoints based on specifications. Automated testing systems run comprehensive test suites, identify bugs, and suggest fixes. Deployment pipelines automate server configuration, database migration, and production releases, eliminating the need for manual intervention. These tools eliminate the repetitive work that can burn out developers and slow product delivery. Hybrid model combines human creativity with AI efficiency in powerful ways. Developers focus on architecture decisions, user experience design, and complex business logic, while AI handles routine implementation tasks. This approach lets your team spend time on strategic thinking rather than writing standard CRUD operations for the 100th time. Human oversight ensures AI-generated code meets project requirements and maintains consistency across systems. Margin improvements happen naturally when automated processes reduce labor costs while maintaining quality. Projects that required 40 developer hours now need 15 hours of human time. Your team can handle more clients without needing to hire additional developers. Labor costs decrease while revenue capacity increases dramatically. This efficiency boost translates directly into higher profitability projects and stronger competitive positioning. The client experience improves significantly through faster delivery and lower prices, which create competitive advantages. Automated workflows complete routine tasks in minutes rather than hours. Projects finish ahead of schedule consistently. Reduced development time allows you to offer competitive pricing while maintaining healthy margins. The skill shift requires transitioning from performing the right work to effectively managing and optimizing AI systems. Your team needs training in prompt engineering, AI tool integration, and automated workflow design. Developers learn to configure AI systems, monitor output quality, and optimize automated processes for improved efficiency. This model works for service providers who are ready to embrace AI as a member rather than viewing it as a threat. The technology enhances human capabilities instead of replacing them. We've covered 5 powerful models that are generating real profit for software entrepreneurs, but the most sophisticated approach combines multiple strategies or leverage emerging opportunities in ways that most people haven't yet considered. In part 2, I'll reveal the 4 remaining models that complete the picture, including human AI collaboration, no-code AI platforms, AI consulting, and most importantly, how to choose your perfect match based on your current situation and goal. More importantly, I will show you the decision-making framework that takes you from analysis paralysis to strategic action. If you're a developer who knows you are meant for more than just writing code for someone else's vision, but you are stuck in overthinking mode, I completely get it. As analytical minds, we want to see complete blueprint before making our move. That is why I created the 9 software business models implementation guide. This isn't just a summary of what we covered today. It's a comprehensive overview. It's the practical framework that shows you exactly how to validate and implement each model step by step. You will receive the decision matrix to identify your perfect match, a detailed cost breakdown, timeline expectations, and the specific skills required for each part. It bridges the gap between understanding these modules and actually taking action. Download it for free in the description below. And if you are ready for a structured approach to transition from an employee to an employer, I am offering a complimentary 1-hour strategy sessions for serious action takers. We will map out your specific path forward based on your unique situation. The second part of the video should be positioned at the top right corner of your view. I'm not sure where it is, but it should be one here or there. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment. Which of these 5 models resonate most with your current situation? Until next time, continue to build conscious into everything you create. You are a creator. Namaste.